In this video, I want to show you how you can make your own teeth trays at home and a whitening toothpaste in order to get white teeth. Easy to make and inexpensive. Hi, this is Gabriela and I enjoy making homemade cosmetics, natural remedies and healthy foods. Teeth trays are easily found online. They usually come in a pack of 2. They are very inexpensive and you can mold them on your teeth. And I paid a fortune years ago to have it made for me. Firstly, you need to boil some water and pour it in a bowl. Then you need to take your little tray and hold it by the handle and put it in water for about 10 seconds. You will see how it changes its shape. Then you need to press really well along the teeth to take their shape. Then put it quickly in cold water so they keep their shape. If you're not happy with it, you just need to repeat the process. Put it in hot water, shape it on your teeth and cold water. When you are happy with it, just cut the little handle and any excess areas. To smooth out the edges, just put them in hot water for a few seconds. Now let's make the whitening paste. First, add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil at room temperature. Coconut oil attacks bacteria in the mouth, improves gum health and whitens teeth naturally, without attacking the enamel as the gels do. Next, 1 teaspoon of calcium powder, which is essential for teeth strength and whitening, and 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, which removes stains from the teeth, therefore making them whiter, but again without destroying the enamel. Once everything is mixed really well, you just need to add them in the trays. Then put them on and wait about half an hour. You can do this as many times as you want per week, as this will not only whiten your teeth, but it will also strengthen your teeth. That's it for this video. I hope you will try this recipe at home. You will not be disappointed. And I also want to invite you to see in the channel other recipes for homemade cosmetics. You will love them, and do give them a try and let me know what you think. Thank you guys and see you later.